Hey everybody, it's Charlie and Chris with Daily Motor, and we are here at Scenic Emily's house to demo the Mustart Level 2 EV charger. Now, if you are in need of a portable electric vehicle charger at level 2 speeds, 240 volts, this might be a good option for you. You can pick it up from their website, we'll throw the link in the description, or you can pick it up from Amazon. Today, when we checked the pricing, it was about $311 US, so really a pretty darn good price. This is going to be able to charge at a full 40 amp out of a NEMA or NEMA 1450 outlets, what you might see in a lot of dryers. In fact, we can come right up here and see this is a new construction home, and they installed this right in because they know EVs are the future, and so they put it right in here for us. This is what a lot of you are going to see for plugging in your EV chargers, and if you want one that's not going to be permanently mounted, but one that you can take and use with different vehicles or maybe at different locations, this might be a good choice for you. We've reviewed some chargers before that do a little bit slower speed, so they still plug into the same outlet, but they're not going to be able to charge quite as quickly. This one is going to take full advantage of that plug. Should be able to charge this electrified G80 at nearly 10 kilowatts, something between 9 and 10 pretty reliably. We're going to get unboxing this. As you can see, we've got a very robust unboxing table here, the trunk of the Genesis, and you can see this is what you actually get with the Genesis.
They give you a nice shoe bag, though.
Yeah, they do. This is a nice bag, but you're only getting a wall, normal like a 120 volt wall style outlet there. So if you want to charge, I mean, this is only going to get you a few miles of range per hour.
I got you some real nice. I got you some nice scissors.
So thank you, Emily, for the safety scissors. Let's pop this bad boy open. We have not seen it yet, so this is going to be new to us, as it is to you, as we like to do our raw impressions here at Daily Motor. Oh, look at that! You got a little bit of a carrying case. This feels nice. Just put that there. Pretty decent weight. Oh, look at that! Even a little handle. So this is a portable charger at the end of the day, and you want it to be portable, just that. No Velcro on the back, but I'm sure you can install that. Or if you had this G80, you could actually put it under there, and that's not going to slide around as much.
Nice.
Actually, it'd probably even fit down there in the under storage. But this will work with something like a Tesla as well with their adapters, so you could put it in one of your storage compartments for the Tesla. Okay, we've got a user manual. That's not something you always get from these Chinese charger brands. That's nice to have. Oh, and this is important. This is going to be all sorts of your information if you need to know details on different certifications, maximum power. This is actually waterproof as well, so if you were going and using it in some sort of outdoor application, it's very important. You don't always have to park in the garage. You can have it get rained on. It's got IP67 waterproof and dustproof certification for the actual plug, and then IP66 for the control box itself. A lot of other specs that are probably not going to matter much to you. I do see a UL rating for the insulator flammability, but I don't think this is full. It's UL certified, so something to keep in mind as well. All right, well, let's get into it. We have, okay, so this is nice. I don't know.
Mounting hardware?
Yeah, mounting hardware. I don't think we're going to get this out right now because I don't know if we're going to fully mount this up here in this location, but if you wanted, that's good.
Yeah, just go ahead and, yeah.
But if you did want to have this at least more semi-permanently, they include that in there. It looks like a nice little metal hook that you could put into a stud. It's nice to have. A lot of oh, and even more mounting stuff. Look at this. So even though it is portable.
That's for the actual charger to sit in, probably.
Yeah, the unit itself. Okay.
Cool.
Good deal. Here we have the charger itself. Now I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this should be a 25-foot cable. It's pretty darn.
Do you think we have 25 feet of room up there?
Yeah, I don't know. We're gonna find out.
Yeah.
Pretty nice, nice feeling cable. I can't do quite some ASMR here, but very rubbery. Some flexibility to it. It feels pretty stable. This is a
nice matte gray color on there.
Yeah, it actually looks pretty decent. Got a clippy clip here to put it in and out.
Okay.
All right. Well, let's. This should be a fairly simple install, if you will.
You gonna take the last bit of bubble wrap off?
Might as well, yeah.
You have some zip ties on there?
Oh yeah, so we do. Might need those safety scissors again.
Yeah, I'll get them. Where'd they go? There they are. Oh, you didn't end up needing them.
I've managed without.
Ah, okay.
Look at that. Okay, Mustart right there. The fun brand name, I suppose. And a little bit of a screen that should tell us some information. There's some protective.
Oh, wait.
Can I? You want to do that? Yeah. There you go, everyone.
Oh.
Very satisfying. Yeah. And you can see right here some mounting abilities for this, but this is pretty decent weight. I mean, it's not. Oh, that's good. No, we didn't do it again. Pretty decent weight, not too heavy. Test out the durability of this bad boy, but it should literally be as simple as taking off the plug cover, plugging this in. It's all upside down. And we are greeted with lights. Okay, a nice, very positive green light there. Green is generally good.
Green is, yeah.
Yeah. Green's a good thing. Right now we're being told, I actually quite like this. This is something my Grizzly charger at home doesn't do. It's telling me that it's receiving 239.1 volts right now. Nominally, that's totally what we should be getting here. And it's going to tell us the kilowatts when it's actually going, how long it's been charging, and even the temperature and the amperage. That's honestly, many chargers don't have a readout for you right there. Some zip ties on there. Why did I feel like the last charger we did required more work? This seems very easy.
I think it had more packaging, maybe? I don't know.
All right.
I guess I'll just fast forward you doing this.
Yeah, put some music over here. Okay. Like you did at the MC20. Yeah, I watched that, yeah. I actually exported it with a little bit more Fergie in it, and it got flagged, so I had to take them out. Dang it, Fergie. I know, she's on that. We just want to be Fergalicious. Fergalicious stuff in this. Maybe I'll just sing over this. Yeah, make them boys go crazy. They always claim they only come to the conversation. F to the E, R to the L, E. You can't know lady, put it down, right? I didn't know all the words to that. Yeah, well, it's a good one. It is. Well, I do too, though. I'm a little young for that song, but yeah.
Okay. Here we are. We've got all the zip ties off. And as you can see, the charge port for the G80, electrified G80 is in the front, but if it were backed in, we could actually still get all the way to the back of this car. So this is a very normal sized garage for kind of a typical house here in North America, and it's gonna reach all the way in the back. So that's good to know. In fact, you'd really have to stretch it and have it be hanging, but you could probably even plug into a car that's out in the driveway. But let's plug in and see if we can give Chris some juice. Here's our standard SAE port.
All
Car
right.
made a clicking sound right away. And we can hear from...
They do that. The Korean cars, they all do that, yeah. Okay.
Now,
Let's check.
Those of you who watch Daily Motor might know that I am a big EV enthusiast and also a big statistic enthusiast. Is there another EV around?
Yes.
Ah, Toyota. I am a big EV enthusiast and also a big statistic enthusiast, so I would just sit out in the garage and watch this. Because this is very satisfying.
Okay, let's see what the car is saying. All right, looks like in the car, 60% charging at 9.2 kilowatts. Remaining time to get to 100%, 4 hours and 35 minutes to get from 60 to 100. Charlie, that doesn't sound too bad.
No, that's not at all.
Yeah.
Yeah, this has given us full full output right here. I mean, 40 amps, that's what we want. And this would be really good because say, for example, you needed to keep an eye on how much charge the vehicle we're using. Like, for example, if I wanted to make Chris start doing EV fuel economy tests for us, he could actually use this and see we've already put in 0.19 kilowatt hours. That's like the equivalent of seeing how many gallons of fuel at your gas pump that you've used. And, or say, for example, if Chris's loving girlfriend Emily wanted to charge him for the electricity that we're using right now, she could come out and take a photo of this and convert it and actually see how much that he owes her. So this is actually really cool. I like this. Let's take a look and grab some of the mounting hardware and just kind of see how it would go up on the wall.
Are you saying you're going to buy me one of these?
Perhaps, I don't know. There might have to be a little perk, a gift. could probably throw this right up on there, and then you could.
Oh, yes.
Do one of those.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then have your little charger holder right there so that when the vehicle's not in, you can sort of wrap it up. And because it's portable, you could literally just plop this out, take it on the road with you if you're going to do a trip or something like that, or needed it for something else, and then just slide it back in home when you get back. So that's pretty cool. I like that, and I like being able to monitor everything right on here. The temperature.
You do like statistics.
I do. I am an enthusiast of that.
An enthusiast of Microsoft Excel.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Well, Google Sheets, technically.
Oh, Google Sheets, right, because it's free. Yeah.
So thank you all so much for watching. Thank you to Mustart for sending us their level 2 40 amp charger. I'm honestly really impressed so far. We're going to use this a little bit more and gonna see if there's anything else to follow up on. I'm sure we'll put it in the video right here or before or after or something. But other than that, check the link in the description and purchase one for yourself if you are in need. Any other thoughts, Chris?
No, I like the screen.
Yeah, definitely.
Pretty
And you
neat.
like the fact that you're going to wake up with a full charge.
That's right, yeah. In my Genesis electrified G80.
Yes, there you go.
Yeah.
Well, we are Chris and Charlie with Daily Motor, and as always, statistics on.